Hi, my name's Yoon and I'm the creator of Sonzia, a website I built to help vocalists really understand the meaning behind the songs they perform. As singers, we've all been there, performing choral pieces in Latin, Italian, or German, and not actually knowing what we're saying. These songs are incredible beautifully, but when you don't understand the text, it's hard to connect with the story. You can have perfect techniques and still feel like something's missing, that emotional layer that makes a performance come alive. That's what inspired me to create Sonzia, a space where singers could discover the story, emotion, and intention behind every piece they sing. Here's how it works. You just type in the song title and either the composer or artist, and Sonzia instantly generates three short paragraphs. The first gives a quick background: who wrote it, when it was composed, and what it represents. The second explains the emotional arc: how it sounds, how it feels, and what it's trying to express. And the third gives vocal guidance, advice on tone, breath, and phrasing to help you perform with more depth and authenticity. Sonzia is built using TypeScript, and I coded the backend on Supabase. For the design, I used lovable.dev to create a clean and simple interface that feels approachable for seniors. It connects to OpenAI's API, which generates both the text and the artworks. My code takes the user's input, analyzes the song's mood, like joyful, melancholic, or dramatic, and then produces an image that visually matches the emotion of the music. Now let me show you how it works. Here I'm typing in Ave Maria by Franz Schubert. Within seconds, Sonzia creates this. Sonzia also generates an image that matches the music's feeling, and for Ave Maria, it created this gentle, sacred artwork that perfectly captures its peaceful tone. Sonzia is made for seniors, students, and teachers, really anyone who want to connect with music on a deeper level. It's especially helpful for people performing classical or choral works in other languages, where understanding this story can completely transform the way you sing. I made Sonzia because I believe music isn't just sound, it's emotion and storytelling. When singers understand what their music means, they don't just perform, they communicate. I'm Angelina, and this is Sonzia, where technology helps vocalists find the heart behind every song. Thank you.